How to access Google Meet recordings. So you can access Google Meet recordings through Google Drive or from a link sent via email or calendar. So if you are the meeting organizer or recorder, just simply go to your Google Drive. So you must use the same account as to the one that you use for the meeting. And here on your drive, so go to my drive. So there should be a folder called Meet Recordings. So if it's your first time recording, it might take some time before the Meet Recordings folder will pop up right there, since this is added automatically if you record something. So it will depend on the duration of the recording. So if it's short, it might take a few minutes. If it's long, it might take hours to show the folder right here on your drive. But just simply open up the folder to check out all of your recordings right there. And just note that if you're a participant, so if you're not the organizer or the recorder, you won't automatically get access to the recording unless the organizer shares it with you via Drive, or you are invited through Calendar and the link is added there. So you could ask the organizer to share the recording if you can't find it. That is how you basically access Google Meet recordings.